Welcome back to Machine Era, where industrial beasts tackle the toughest jobs on Earth. From ripping out massive roots to slicing logs and shredding monster trunks, these machines showcase brute power and razor-sharp precision. Before we dive in, hit that like button to power up the channel and keep the gears turning.
Oh my god.
There's no holding back now. 800 horses, one massive log, a mechanical fury that doesn't ask twice. The shredder roars and the forest yields. It's not just fast, it's ruthless. Swift Fox, with 120 horsepower of fury, shreds through 8-inch timber like paper. Blink, and the forest line has changed. Just a tree job, they said. Next thing you know, free skylight installation, the hard way. That roof had less staying power than most promises nowadays.
Oh my god.
Nothing to worry about. Then boom, nature breaks it down like a rapper at a concert. That tree had moves no one was ready for.
Watch out, buddy. Shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Shit.
Wrong cut, and the whole tree might snap the wrong way. If you're not a pro, don't touch it. Rot hides danger where you can't see it.
Little happened. Got an old style gun. And I could have cut this wood over here and cut some of this. And then here, I wanted to leave as much wood as I could right here. You know, would have could have should have. Get that drill out of the way.
He moved like a pro, but that half-second delay, almost fatal. When the tree snaps, it doesn't ask questions.
Rocking it. Going.
This isn't landscaping, it's a feeding frenzy. The 96 horsepower Kubota rips through the brush with the fury of a wild predator. This isn't cutting wood, it's erasing it. A 700 Newton-meter blade tears through 25 inches of solid log like it's air.
And I got a shop video coming. Working on the countertop for it. Epoxy resin finish on it. That block got a little stress in it. Shim off of it. It is just bitter, bitter cold. Down to 4 inches.
That crack is the sound of dominance. 30 tons of power versus a 100-pound log. It never stood a chance. This machine was built to conquer. This beast doesn't cut, it devours. 120 horses, one 30-inch stump, zero hesitation. If destruction had a theater, this would be opening night. 3,000-pound tree? No problem. Kessler 2,550 horsepower takes it down in a blink, faster than a chef's knife. A 10-foot log, gone in seconds with a 2,800 RPM blade, like slicing through air, effortless and fast. £80,000 of pure power crushing a 15-inch log. It's better than the most intense action scene. "1,000 horsepower, and just like that, the Pet Salado tears through the 900-pound A14, turning it into wood chips flying through the air. A 24-inch stump doesn't stand a chance against this machine. Modern forestry tools transform backbreaking labor into a simple task. Are you ready for what's next? The Scania 650 horsepower picks up a 30,000-pound, 9-foot bundle of wood like it's nothing. One swing and half the forest is airborne. Watch the Picama's 300 horsepower haul 40,000 pounds of timber like a slow-motion brawl beneath the surface. This is forestry, raw and unfiltered. For sheer power and precision, this 250 horsepower mower transforms towering hemp fields into a smooth green carpet in the blink of an eye.
Watching until the end of the video. Please share your thoughts in the comments below if you have any suggestions on how we can improve our content. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Machine Era channel so you won't miss the next video.